What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Twitter lag issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all try updating the Twitter app. So for that open Play Store, search for Twitter app, and then if it's not updated then here it will show the update option. So tap on update, and after updating Twitter will start working properly. But after updating, if you're still facing the issue, then try updating your mobile software. So for that open settings, now scroll down and here click on system and updates. Now in system and updates, click on software update, and then from here check if your phone software is up to date or not. So if you have not updated your phone software to the latest version, then update it, and after updating the Twitter will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue while using Twitter after updating your mobile software, then open settings, scroll down, and here click on apps, and then again click on this apps option. Now in apps, scroll down and look for the Twitter app, and then tap on data storage. Now clear the app data and cache memory of Twitter app. So to clear the app data, tap on clear data, and from the pop-up tap on OK. And to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and after that the clear cache memory will be cleared. And after clearing cache memory and data, the Twitter app will 100% start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.